Hello. Welcome to another episode of Money Shiksha with Brijesh Parekh. I'm your host and wealth coach Brijesh Parekh. Today, we are going to discuss about is investing in pre-launch properties right for you? Pros and cons of pre-launch real estate investing in India. Investing in pre-launch real estate projects in India has become an appealing avenue for many investors. With the potential for high returns and the excitement of being part of developing neighborhoods, it's easy to see why this strategy is gaining traction. However, like any investment, it comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Drawing from my personal experience and insights gained over years of navigating this landscape, I aim to shed light on both sides of the coin to help you make informed decisions. Attractive pricing. One of the most compelling reasons to consider pre-launch real estate investments is the opportunity to purchase properties at significantly lower prices than those available in the market post-launch. Developers often price these units attractively to generate early interest and secure funding for their projects. For instance, I invested in a pre-launch project in Bangalore back in 2018 at 8,500 rupees per square foot, while similar properties were priced at 12,000 rupees once the project was officially launched. This pricing strategy not only creates an immediate equity opportunity, but also positions investors favorably for future appreciation. Research by Knight Frank supports this notion, indicating that pre-launch properties can be priced 10-30 lower than their launched counterparts. This is particularly relevant in rapidly growing urban areas where demand outpaces supply. The ability to enter the market at a lower price point allows investors to maximize their return on investment as property values rise. High appreciation potential. The potential for substantial appreciation is another attractive aspect of pre-launch real estate investments. As infrastructure develops around these projects, such as new roads, metro lines, or commercial centers, the value of the property often increases significantly. I experienced this firsthand with an investment in a Pune project located near a newly proposed metro line. By the time the project was completed in 2021, the area had transformed drastically, leading to a valuation increase that exceeded my expectations. A recent report by Liasis for Us noted that properties in emerging markets in India have shown appreciation rates of up to 50 within a few years post-launch. For investors willing to take the initial plunge, this kind of appreciation potential is incredibly enticing. However, it's vital to conduct thorough market research and analyze the growth trajectory of the area surrounding the project to ensure that it aligns with your investment strategy. Customization opportunities. Investing in pre-launch projects often comes with the perk of customization. Early investors may have the option to choose finishes, layouts, and even some structural elements of their units. During my investment in a luxury apartment project in Goa, I was able to tailor aspects of my unit to better suit my vision. This not only provided personal satisfaction, but also contributed to a higher resale value, as the property appealed to buyers looking for customized features. The ability to customize your investment can be a significant advantage, especially in a competitive market where unique features can set your property apart. For instance, if you know that certain finishes or layouts are particularly desirable in your target market, being able to implement these changes can enhance your property's attractiveness and value. Market risks. Despite the allure of pre-launch investments, it's essential to recognize the significant risks involved. The real estate market can be volatile, and pre-launch projects are particularly susceptible to market fluctuations. I encountered this firsthand during the pandemic when a project I invested in faced substantial delays due to the developer's financial struggles. The timeline for completion stretched indefinitely, causing uncertainty and stress. According to a report by the Indian Express, many projects experience delays and some developers have defaulted on their commitments. This underscores the critical importance of thoroughly vetting developers before committing your funds. Investigating a developer's past projects, financial health, and reputation in the market can help mitigate this risk and ensure a more secure investment. Limited transparency. Another challenge associated with pre-launch investments is the often limited transparency regarding project details and financial health. In my early experiences, I found myself in situations where the developer provided scant information about the project's viability and timelines. One particular investment led to significant losses when I discovered that the project was not as feasible as initially presented. To navigate this challenge, it's crucial to demand transparency from developers. Asking for detailed project plans, timelines, and financial reports can provide valuable insights into the project's health and help you make informed decisions. Engaging with real estate advisors or professionals who have experience in the industry can also enhance your understanding and provide additional layers of protection. Regulatory challenges. The regulatory environment in India can be a double-edged sword for pre-launch investors. While the introduction of RERA Real Estate Regulatory Authority has increased buyer protection and transparency, navigating this regulatory landscape can be cumbersome. I recall a project in Hyderabad where compliance issues led to significant delays in approvals, impacting the timelines and my expected returns. Understanding regulatory frameworks is vital for any investor. Familiarizing yourself with local laws, RERA guidelines, and compliance requirements can help you avoid pitfalls and navigate the complexities of real estate investment more effectively. Additionally, staying updated on changes in regulations can provide insights into potential impacts on your investment. Emotional investment. The emotional aspect of investing in pre-launch properties cannot be overlooked. The excitement of securing a property at a low price can sometimes cloud judgment and lead to hasty decisions. I've seen investors rush into commitments fueled by enthusiasm, only to later realize that they had overlooked critical details or failed to conduct adequate due diligence. To mitigate emotional decision-making, it's essential to ground your investment strategy in data and analysis. Setting clear investment goals and criteria can help you remain focused and make rational decisions. Additionally, involving a trusted advisor can provide an objective perspective and help you navigate the emotional highs and lows of real estate investing. Navigating the landscape. Pre-launch real estate investing in India presents a unique blend of opportunities and challenges. While the potential for high returns and customization is appealing, it is imperative for investors to conduct thorough due diligence and understand the inherent risks involved. Based on my experiences, a balanced approach that combines research, analysis, and emotional discipline is vital for navigating this dynamic landscape successfully. In summary, the journey into pre-launch real estate investments can be rewarding, but it requires careful consideration of both the pros and cons. By weighing these factors and incorporating strategies for due diligence and risk management, you can position yourself to capitalize on this promising sector while safeguarding your investments. As you consider your next steps, remember to stay informed, seek expert advice, and approach each investment with a critical eye. Your future self will thank you for it. That's all for today's episode of Money Shiksha with Brijesh Parekh. I hope you found these insights helpful and inspiring. Join us next time for more valuable tips and strategies to unlock your financial potential. As always, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to Money Shiksha with Brijesh Parekh and never miss an episode where we bring you more insights, strategies, and inspiration to help you achieve financial success.